happy Friday. Don't you think our home light is always not bright enough for us to do some reading, do some computer work and so on? Here we want to introduce the products to you. It's a dash lamp. Look at the design. Do you like it? It looks stylish. And it's foldable design. You can adjust any angles that you want. And it's small and lightweight. You could bring it everywhere and it only takes a little space of your area. Also, you see here the power button is sensitive touch. So just touch it to turn it on. And let me test the brightness. 1 second. Okay, there is 3 levels of brightness. So when you go study, turn it to the brightest. Alright, I think it's bright enough, and the light is soft, it won't hurt my eyes. And when you want to relax, you can turn it to dimmer. When you go sleep, you can turn it to the lowest brightest level, or you can even fold it a little bit. Alright, and also the battery is rechargeable. You don't have to charge it every time you use. That is very cool. Alright, this is today's live. Hope you guys like it, and if you're interested in the product, click the link down below. And thank you for watching. Have a nice weekend. Bye bye.